AC Guy 1948 here, or Past Preserver. If you're new to the channel, I still go by AC Guy 1948, even though I changed the channel name. I just like it. So today we are going to be taking this branch out of here and throwing it by the road so the city can get it. So this here is a great showing of why you should never think just because you're far away from a tree, a limb won't come down and get you. Because this fell from right about there. And you see how far away this thing is. So yeah, that's some pretty good hang time to get all the way over there. I'd say that's where it came from. So always be mindful when under trees in bad weather. They can travel quite a distance. Here's another big branch right by my walkway. This tree's got to go at some point. And I kind of got it hooked around here, hooked around there. So we'll give that a go. Worst case, it falls off. Just a wheat field out here, so I'm not really hurting any crop or anything. Besides, it needs to go anyway. Well, it didn't quite do what I want. I was hoping it'd stay more that way, but it'll drag it along. It'll work. Yeah, look at all the little sticks out here. All right, it's up here by the road. Wish I would have got off and moved the camera again, but still got to unhook it. It pretty well did what I wanted it to. came off there a little easier, but we got her. Now I'm just going to go around the yard and load up all these sticks in the bucket so I can just dump them. Oh, I love having this thing. It's great. Actually has a high beam and low beam for the headlights and turn signals. The work light's got it. Pretty neat. Everything works. Got her loaded up. Now we're going to lose that chain because it's still in the bucket. I should have put her in a higher gear, huh? I'm maxed out on the 3-speed. It just has a high, medium, low transmission in it. Well, that's as high as she'll go. Sorry about the shaky cam. I got you on this big tripod. I think that about does it for my sticks. At least the ones I can't mow up real easy. Ah, darn it. I gotta fix that. The foot pedal, sometimes it comes out of there and goes to the kill position. I gotta find my chain yet too. It was in that first pile. I might be getting a little low on fluid here. The way it's acting. This thing does have some Tachometer actually works though. 446 hours is all this thing has on it. A lot of life left. Shift up here. Well, if I got a couple sticks there, I'll just carry them to the front. I'm not too worried about it. Well, I think we're going to call that a video. Oh, it's down the kill position. I don't hit anything. Should be good here. Don't hit your gas cans or anything. Right, there's your left and right indicators and pull out for hazards. Horn. I spy with my little eye a chain. Do you see the chain? Right here. All right, we'll take that back around with us and we'll call this a video. So there's a little pile here for sure. Not near as big as the last one I did, but that's a good thing. So I probably could have just carried and dragged that big stick over here. It would have been a pain, or cut it up and moved it in chunks, but I'm going to use that tractor every chance I get because I love using it. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and have a great day.